Hello guys, today I will show you how I created this beautiful website using GLM 5.1 with a free API key. So here is the brief information of GLM 5.1, which is scoring good in every aspect, even in coding, reasoning and everything. Actually this model is comparable with Cloud Opus 4.6 also. Yes, you can see the benchmarks over there. Actually, it is good open source model which can be hosted in locally, but we need a good hardware. At present, in homes we will not use that type of hardware, so I will show you a different way how to access it freely. So here you can see the plans that are paid plans, and in this video I will show you how to access that freely. So open this URL in the browser. Now sign up or create an account. Yes, in this interface you can create the API keys. So yeah, let's sign in. You okay, actually we don't have account, so we have to create a new account. So yeah, sign up for the model. Yeah, use the same account, no problem. And give the same reasons which have gave over here. Just check what have checked in this video and get started. Now this is a dashboard actually. Now paste that link, same paste. Yeah, now yeah, click on get started. Now you will get the API key interface where you can create API keys. Yeah, now let's create a key. Before that, open VS Code. In VS Code we need to select the folder actually. Yeah, it is already been selected, so ignore that. So now we need to install an extension. The extension name is Cline. So click here and search for Cline. Yeah, this is one. This is the one. Just install it. Yeah, you will get a Cline option over here. Just ignore this window and go for the settings. In settings, make sure you select OpenAI compatible, and in the base URL you need to copy from the API interface. So create a new key over here. Just name it anything, it works out. Yeah, these are the keys, and yeah, copy this URL from HTTPS to only v1. Okay, and paste it in base URL. Yeah, base URL. Yeah, paste it there. Now we will copy the key. Yeah, we'll paste it there. Now the model ID. Yeah, copy that till FP8. Yeah, paste it. That's it. Now don't change any settings over here. Just click on done. That's it. Now for the first time, just press hi. Yeah, now you can see the model name over there. Yeah, now let it cook. Sometimes it may get an error. As you can see in the interface, API interface dashboard screen. Wait, I will show you. Yeah, see, there is an error actually. Uh, Sometimes it may state error, but later it will give the 200 code means success code. Refresh it. Let's refresh the page. Yeah, now it will work, I think. Yeah, it is working. See, even now we'll get the success code. I think so. Now let's paste the demo prompt to create a website. See, we got a 200 status means that is a success status. So now let's give the demo prompt. Yeah, let it cook. It may take time. So give some time. Let it create a new landing page. So right now I've forwarded the video into 2x till this creation, and you can find every prompt, demo prompt, and links in the description as well as in the pinned comments. You can check over there. So finally, it has came to the footer and with the end HTML tags. Oh yeah, it is created. Now click on save. check the code and click on the save. So there is an error in the footer. Yeah, let me check. First click on save. We'll open the file in the browser. Yeah, this is good. See, you can, 1 minute. There are no errors in the header. Yeah, there is a error. Yeah, there is an error in the footer actually. Yeah, see, that is the prompt and tag. So we'll remove this. This is not work, no problem. This comes after the HTML closing tag, so we can remove it. So we'll find it at the end of the page. Yeah, here, see, this is the thing. We'll remove this. Just Control S. Yeah, save it and refresh it. Yeah. See, now you can see the beautiful landing page. You can host it in any way. So guys, this is the way how to use the free GLM 5.1 and create a beautiful projects and see the API status. And as stating it is free till 30th April, but they will extend it, no problem. And thanks for watching the video and do subscribe Axe AI Labs for more videos.